Planning your next outdoor adventure? Choosing the right camping tent can make or break your trip. We've compared durability, comfort, and weather protection, and the number one camping tent on this list is a total game changer. So don't skip till the end. Top 5 Best Camping Tents. Number 5. Marmot Tungsten 4. The Marmot Tungsten 4 is a big departure from the giant and heavy tents in this review. It's compact, easily stores in its stuffed sack, and is light enough to take on a short backpacking trip. This makes it one of the more versatile tents we tested. The materials are high quality, and the setup is as easy as it gets for this tent style. The massive vestibule helps free up floor space and protects all your valuables from rain. The quality of the materials is exceptional, meaning this will last a long time and withstand wind and rain. The major downside to this tent is its limited space. Calling it a 4-person tent is a stretch. 2 adults and 2 kids fit, but it is tight. Our tester noted, "It was okay to sleep with our family of 4 in the Tungsten, but had bad weather rolled in and forced us to spend all day in the tent. We would have driven each other mad." While we love taking this tent on backpacking trips, we can see how some people might find it in an awkward spot. A little too heavy for backpacking and a little too small for comfortable campsite camping. All that said, it's the best 4-person tent we have tested. Number 4. Coleman Skydome XL8. Boasting nearly 115 square feet of comfy living space, the Coleman Skydome XL8 is a mammoth of a tent. We love the spacious design and feel it will hit the spot for families or large groups seeking a larger, reliable shelter that won't break the bank. Specifically, the Skydome can comfortably sleep 8 if every camper is dozing upon smaller sleeping pads or foam. If your group is less than 8, our tests revealed there's enough room for a whopping 3 queen-sized air mattresses. Along with its real estate, we love this tent's tarp flooring. It's easy to clean and can withstand the inherent wear and tear that comes with kids and pets. This tent also features an incredible mesh roof, great vents, storage pockets, an electrical port, and fun string lighting that mounts to the ceiling. There were aspects of the Coleman Skydome XL8 that we didn't like. It's large, bulky, and not that easy to set up. Its size makes it somewhat unstable, so it requires a full arsenal of ground stakes and guy lines to keep it sturdy, especially in the wind. We also think the rainfly is a bit thin. Number 3. The North Face Wawona 6. Are you a camper with a hobby? Then this is the tent for you. The North Face Wawona 6, a long-standing favorite we've tested, is the perfect base camp for mountain bikers, rock climbers, anglers, hunters, or anyone packing lots of gear that needs to be protected. Why the vestibule is like a 2-bike garage. The main tent packs an additional 85 square feet, creating a remarkable living space. The Wawona has you covered, and all for a very fair price. All this space does make a few things less straightforward. Setting up the rainfly and garage in the moderate wind isn't as intuitive as it could be. The North Face went with a pin and circle locking mechanism that requires some effort to lock. And because of the height and length of this tent, guy lines are essential unless you enjoy watching your tent sail away into the sunset. Number 2. Fantic Zeta C6 Pro. We have tested a dozen instant tents and none are as intuitive and fast to set up as the Fantic Zeta C6 Pro. The tent assembles in under 30 seconds, and adding the rainfly takes about the same amount of time. You will likely spend a lot more time deciding where to put the tent than putting it together. When a tent is this easy to set up, you use it more at home for an impromptu playhouse for the kids. It has enough space to cram 6 adults. That said, we used it with a family of 4 and enjoyed the extra room to spread out. If you are not expecting weather, you can leave the rainfly off for maximum ventilation and stargazing. If the weather rolls in, the waterproof bathtub bottom provides adequate protection, and it withstood 20+ miles per hour winds as long as it was staked out and guy lined properly. The primary drawback is the quality of the components. Nothing broke immediately, but there are a few annoying issues. The zipper easily gets stuck in the side fabric when you open the door. The stuff bag isn't very robust. It will withstand a light rain, But we would not want to be in this tent for days in a downpour. Without a vestibule to store your gear, you need to allocate extra room in the tent for your shoes, bags, and personal items, or plan to store more items in your car or elsewhere. This tent also comes in 4 and 8 person sizes, but we think the 6-person size nails the right balance of space, weight, and value. For an inexpensive tent that sets up quickly, this one is nearly unbeatable. Number 1. Marmot Halo 6. Pound for pound, the Marmot Halo 6 is the best camping tent we tested. Looks check. Durability check. Space check. We tossed weather, dogs, kids, and marriage at this tent, and it asked for more. And thanks to the Halo design feature, you may have the biggest tent at camp without looking like you do. The Halo 6 will easily fit 2 twins and a full-blown air mattress, with room for bags, dogs, and more. And thanks to the beefy poles that easily slide through the dome-style slots and some color-coded assembly help, you and your partner will feel like a team putting this thing up. The only real complaint we have with this tent is its price. That, and maybe a little knock for including backpack-style stakes with a 21-pound tent that no one will haul up a trail. You can also expect to put the fly on backward at least once. Yes, there is a front and a back on this tent, even though it looks perfectly symmetrical, and some pockets on the ceiling that act more like shelves. But if you are looking for a rock-solid tent with nearly 100 square feet of floor space and a 32 square foot vestibule fit for proper cooking protected from the elements, the Halo 6 is hard to beat. That wraps up our top 5 best camping tents. If this helped you choose the perfect tent, subscribe to Unzip Things for more outdoor gear reviews. Thanks for watching.